Okay, guys, how are you today? Okay, so today we're looking at the scales and interpreting scale symbols and abbreviation. I've got a pointer, which is pretty cool. Okay, next slide, please. So we go. Come on. Seems very slow. Right, a scale is a comparison of the like quantities, usually expressed in a ratio, which we've done before. For instance, is 1 is to 100. It takes a long time. The first number, so say that 1, is the size in the diagram or the plan, and the second number is the actual size. So always remember that. The first one's the diagram, the second one is the actual size. Okay. So remember, diagram versus actual. So D versus A, okay? DA, diagram, actual. All right. So simplify, the question would say simplify the following scales. So 1 centimeter is to 2 centimeters. Now, the first thing you've got to do, so that's your question, is write it out. So 1 centimeter is to 2 meters. Now, convert both the sides of the scale to the same units. So we've got to work in the same units. So we make them both centimeters. So now we've got 1 centimeter is equal to 200 centimeters. Perfect. Now, next stage is remove the units. So we take away the centimeters and we've got 1 is to 200. So therefore, you've simplified the scale. So make sure that you've written all this down, okay? All right, let's look at something else. So now we've got 5 millimeters by 2 meters. Now remember what we said first of all was make them both the same. So write out your question, make them both the same unit. So we make them both millimeters. So now we've got 5 millimeters is to 2,000 millimeters. So then we can simplify. So 5, and so what goes into 5 and also goes into 2,000? So we bring them down as low as we can, and we get 1 millimeter is to 400 millimeters. Take away your units, and you're left with 1 is to 400. All right. Next one. Now we're going to look at the diagram. So interpret the meaning of the abbreviation WC from the diagram. So pretty obvious that's a toilet. Okay. So what does it stand for? The abbreviation stands for water closet, which is a toilet. So when you're looking at a plan, you'll know straight away that that is a toilet. Next one, interpret the meaning of that symbol from the diagram. Most of you probably know that that is the cooktop, the stove, the oven. You could say something like that. Okay. And then we go to the next one. Come on. I think we're at the end, and that's why I won't move on. So that's all we got for now. I like my little Halley's comic that I've got here, and have a beautiful day.